I'm MJ here at Park Muffler. We got something very interesting, very awesome today. I want to introduce you to Kyle. He's the owner of the 99 Blazer that we installed this switchable Chameolon muffler on. We also installed a 4 to 5 inch exhaust tip that we'll get into afterwards. Inside of that exhaust tip, there's a proprietary design of a propeller that will create further pressure in the exhaust system. The astonishing part of this is it will get very, very aggressive, a race mode, and go back into a quiet mode relatively nicely. So what we'll do is we'll get Marvin. Marvin, go ahead and start it up. So as we can see in idle, we're sitting at about 85 decibels. If you want to give it a little bit of gas. That's good, Marvin. So in our closed mode, as we can see, we're still sitting at a very legal level. For Kyle, he loves the 4x4. He loves to open it up. So what we're going to demonstrate here is an open position. Go ahead, Marvin. 3-second delay. You are going to hear that difference in tone. Start up. Marvin, go ahead and give it a go. Like I say, what's happening here is the tip at the end is creating further pressure. The muffler that we've installed is the Chameolon Stealth. It's got an incredible tone in conjunction with each other. It's going to create a very nice tone. Marvin, if you want to turn it back off, please, I'd appreciate it. Thank you very much for tuning in. Kyle, congratulations on your system here. And what do we say? Congratulations.
Thanks. Hell yeah.
Thank you very much. If you are interested in your Chameolon, your switchable muffler, or exhaust tip, you can contact us at parkmuffler.com or send us an email to sherwoodparkperformance@gmail.com, and we'll be sure to look after you. Thank you very much.